Hello, my name is Jed Brown, and what I'm going to do today, or what I'm here to do, is hopefully teach those who do not have a real extensive knowledge of computers. In fact, in particular, ones that are more technologically illiterate, so to speak, right now. So my goal is to help them, uh, the ones who are weary to use computers because they don't understand them basically. Those are the ones who these tutorials are more directed to, because to me the computer can be a very useful thing. You can virtually do anything on a computer, and once you know how to basically use it, it's awesome. So my goal is to help those people at least be able to navigate through their computer to get what they want done. Nothing advanced, just the very simple stuff. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go over what a taskbar is, how to utilize the taskbar, how to search for and locate a program, how to open a program, and if we have time, I'll go over a little bit about system properties information, in case you need to get something fixed or repaired. If someone asks you a type of service question, you know where to look. But first, so to start, the taskbar is this bar that's at the bottom of your screen. Most of you probably haven't figured out how to move it, so it's not going to be on the sides or the top, but it is possible to do that. So on the lower right corner, you'll see your time and date, a speakers icon, a network icon, a PC issues flag icon, and a little arrow that'll be pointing up that you click on to see this. And I'm going to walk through what's not self-explanatory. So this is self-explanatory. This is self-explanatory. You left click on this to get the mixer bar, which you can't see right now, but you don't need to worry about this. This will simply just give you a pop-up when you have an issue, like when Windows recommends that you do something or you need to install updates, that it'll give you a pop-up via that flag. So it's basically just a cautionary thing. So just follow recommended settings. If it needs updates, update it. And they're really good about giving you instructions, really easy instructions how to do that. And I might do a tutorial on that later when I have updates I need to install. But anyways, alright. So that's what that is. This will be an arrow in your version. I'm running a custom theme, so that's why my icons and the look of my will be different from yours. But still, the functions are the same. It's just different icons, but they're in the same place. Like I said, the function's the same. So yeah. So this will be an arrow in yours, and when you click on it, you'll get this little box. And what this box is it tells you the stuff that's running in your background, not actually on your screen. Your screen may be clear, but what's this stuff? This is what's running in the background of everything. Like in this case, I got a couple of security programs and some customization stuff. But as far as the next part of the taskbar, this is really, I call this the icon section of the taskbar, which, as you can see, takes up most of it. So what these are your icons, and what these icons do is when you left click on one of them, it will open up the program. It'll open up that program. For example, this is an icon for Google Chrome. If I left click on this icon, it'll open up Google Chrome. This is for Notepad. If I left click on this, it'll open up Notepad. And the same thing for all of these. Now standard, you get Internet Explorer, Libraries, which is this one, and Windows Media Player, which is this one. Those will come standard pinned to your taskbar. And in the next tutorial, I'll go over how to pin a program to your taskbar. But in this particular tutorial, I'm not going to do that. So that's basically what these are. Alrighty, so on to the start orb. Now, what this is basically your main menu. You can get anywhere from this menu. Somehow, some way, you can get anywhere from this menu. Now, the places list, this is really helpful. Now, by now, you'll have named your computer, or the people at Best Buy or wherever you bought your computer from will have named it like admin, or I don't know, some name, but chances are you name it. If not, you can change your name. Honestly, I've never looked into it, so if you can, maybe I'll do a tutorial on that. I don't know if you guys think that's important or not, but anyways, your name will be the top one on the right half of this menu, and that name opens up a folder, the user folder that contains everything, like all of your, like where your personal files are stored, like your documents, your pictures, your music, your videos, stuff like that. Opening up this particular folder will give you access to all of those folders. Below it are more specifics. This will only open the documents folder. This will only open the pictures folder, etc., etc., etc. So that's what these 5 do. Computer, that's gets a little bit more once you get into understanding how to work navigate your hard drives and stuff, like your C drive, or if you have any external hard drives there, that's when this comes in handy. Or you're checking system properties, that comes in handy. So yeah, control panel, we'll go over that in another one too. That's important to learn how to navigate and understand what's inside of there. That's like the main panel for serious stuff. Devices and printers, we'll go over that later. Default programs, also later. But these are where your programs will normally be. There'll be a button that says all programs that you click on, and it'll give you a list of all your programs that you have currently installed. Or, like I like to do personally, you click on the orb, and there'll be a search bar, and you can, let's say I want to find Microsoft Word. W-O-R-D, Microsoft Word, right there. Left click to open a program. Left click, it opens up Word. So that's pretty much all we're going to go over in this particular tutorial. But tune in for the next one. Yeah, hope this was informative, and I hope it's going to help you embrace your PC more. But granted, the next tutorial will be a lot funner. This one was more just getting you a little in tune with the basics. Actually, before I go, I'm going to show you. I told you I was going to show you how to open a program, and even though it seems like a really simple thing, I'm still going to do it. Some might appreciate it. You might appreciate it. I don't know. Okay, for example, Microsoft Word. I searched that earlier. Word. Left click, not right click, a left click. Sorry, it went on my second monitor. There we go. There it is, Microsoft Word, right there. And I will have a tutorial definitely on how to basically use Microsoft Word, because everyone that I know uses this program or wants to know how to use this program, and it's really easy. So yeah, I'll make a tutorial on this too, but I'm starting from the ground up, so it'll be soon, just not immediately. So that's all I'm going to go over for this tutorial, so tune in for the next one.